Went all the way out in the road, swirled around, and went back up and ended up in front of the house over there.
No!
Yeah. And it's just a, just a dumbfounded wow stare at it, but now I'm starting to look at it and assess it a bit. And I took a walk a bit beyond our house up through it's kind of a valley gorge through there. And we've got, and this is going to be an ongoing thing because these mudslides, debris slides, there's nothing retaining the mountains anymore. So we got 2 inches of rain the other night. It's going to be eroding for a while. And I walked past our house up through this gorge, and I've got 3 houses up there that are going to be in my property someday. I'd say in the next 5 years, they're going to be down there. They're on the edge of these things. And that's my buddy Derek. He lives on Bailey Ridge over here. He's got 4 or 5 houses in his property that weren't there before. And this is just over the mountain here. Craigtown is the area, Flat Creek Road there. 13 people died right there. It's just on the other side of my mountain right here.
Wow.
So those houses, they're right on the edge above my property, above my house up there. And
you just can't get them from this side.
No, you
have
go
to get them
from down here. It's the next road going up that goes up behind in an area. They planned a development up there called Bonnie Highlands before we even moved out here 30 years ago, maybe something like that. And it's a rough country up in there, but there's many houses up in there, and they got hit real hard. And that's just between me and Craigtown that I'm talking about, the worst case scenario. If we go down 64, you're going to see, you might want me to drive you and do some video, because it's nuts in there. It's some of the worst that you're going to see in Western North Carolina. Before anybody could even get to a house to make sure everybody's okay or get them supplies and all that kind of thing. I-beams, you can see what's left of bridges, you know. See the I-beams, you know, they're gone. The porch was over on this side, up the hill over there.
Oh my goodness.
You know, it started flowing through. There was no way to get out of there. You couldn't go across a creek either way. You know, and so I'm sure that's the same thing. You know, people need. I'm showing you these houses that are spun around or gone. It's too late to get out because it's not just water flowing by. It's trees and root balls and boulders and what you can't just jump in it and swim.
Right.